Imagine that money isn't the beginning. It's the result. Wealth doesn't come from a salary, luck, or inheritance. It comes from something hidden inside you, your mindset. What's holding you back isn't the economy. It's the programming in your brain that says, this is impossible. But what if I told you, everything can change just by changing the way you see money? Your mindset might be the real reason for your financial struggles, or the secret key that unlocks success. The problem isn't a lack of opportunity or luck. It starts right here in your mind. Everything you have today is a reflection of what you believe and how you act on that belief. Picture this. You're starting from zero. No money, no connections, no fame, just you and your mind. Scary, right? But wait, ask yourself, who are the people who became wealthy? Were they all born into rich families? The vast majority started with less than nothing. Debt, failure, rejection, even self-doubt. So what helped them rise? The answer, a mental shift. That moment they decided to stop being victims of circumstances and start becoming the creators of their future. Let's go deeper. Every word you say programs your brain. When you say, I can't afford this, you shut down your brain's ability to find solutions. But when you ask, how can I afford this? You unlock creativity and answers. Try this every day. Instead of saying, I'm broke, say, I'm building my wealth. Instead of, I have no money, ask, how can I generate income? Do you eat just once a week? Of course not. So why let your mind starve? Feed your mind daily. Read 10 pages of a financial book. Listen to 15 minutes of a podcast about wealth. Watch content that elevates your mindset, not content that drains your time and energy. Your mind is like soil. If you don't plant seeds, weeds will grow. Poor minds see every opportunity as a trap. They say, what if I fail? Rich minds ask, what if I succeed? Fear is normal, but it shouldn't guide your life. Many people stay poor not because they lack money, but because they're overwhelmed by fear. How many times have you seen people waste hours just to save a few cents, but claim they're too busy to learn a skill or build a side hustle? Wealthy minds know that time equals life. The poor trade time for money. The rich invest time to build income that works while they sleep. Start managing your time like your bank account. Every wasted minute is like throwing cash into the ocean. Don't just say, I want to be rich. Say, I act like the wealthy. I think like them. I learn like them. Wealth isn't just a goal, it's an identity. When you change how you see yourself, your decisions naturally evolve. You don't need money to start. You need a decision that from this moment on, you won't speak negatively about yourself. You won't let your past control your future. You won't live as a product of your environment, but as the architect of your own reality. Every day someone starts from nothing and rises. The question isn't, is this possible? The real question is, are you ready to think like the wealthy, even before you become one of them? Grab a notebook and write, how does the person I want to be think? Then start thinking that way in every choice you make. Money follows the mind. Train your mind, and money will follow. Wealth doesn't begin on the outside, it begins within. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful insights. Your support helps us keep creating content that transforms lives.